In Creo 11, Remove Body provides additional flexibility to define the feature. The Remove Body feature offers a new remove option that allows to toggle between two definition schemes. The default scheme, where you identified bodies to be removed, as shown here, and a flipped or inverted scheme. To remove all fluid bodies in this hydraulic manifold demonstration model, you can now simply select the block body and identify it as the body to be kept while all other bodies are removed. Depending on the situation, this new definition scheme can help to define the desired outcome with fewer selections and can also help to define the feature in a more robust way to better handle situations in which the number of bodies can change. Note that the flip option in split trim body introduced previously is replaced by the same select to option to align the user experience.